Imagine a world where your marketing decisions are driven by smart technology rather than guesswork. Our AI for Marketing Managers courses invite you to explore a new territory where artificial intelligence empowers you to work smarter, not harder. This is about taking control through data and innovation, transforming the way you analyze trends, engage your audience, and craft impactful strategies. Every day, as you balance complex data analysis and creative messaging, you can now do more by incorporating AI that automates repetitive tasks, streamlines customer segmentation, and optimizes content, freeing up your valuable time for high-impact decisions. Our approach is practical and hands-on. You'll learn through detailed video tutorials and real-world walkthroughs that bring AI-powered marketing tools right to your fingertips. This course is designed for marketing managers who are ready to pivot from reactive to proactive strategy. As you gain these in-demand skills, you'll earn certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. By mastering these skills, you build an actionable framework that positions you as the go-to expert within your organization. Embracing this learning journey means not only staying current, but also commanding higher salaries and greater professional recognition. You can find all AI for Marketing Managers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.